Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English vocabulary effectively. Start by learning words within sentences or paragraphs, not just in isolation. This helps you grasp their true meaning and how they function. Create flashcards, perhaps using an app, and include a picture and a sentence for each word. Regularly test yourself to actively retrieve the information, which strengthens your memory pathways. To boost your word retention, try grouping words together. For instance, learn all the words related to cooking or travel at once. Immerse yourself in English by reading a variety of materials, from news articles to novels, which exposes you to words in different contexts. Maintain a dedicated vocabulary journal where you write down new words, their definitions, and example sentences. This active engagement significantly aids memory. Active learning is key for vocabulary mastery. Make an effort to use new words in your daily conversations. Don't be afraid to experiment. Another powerful technique is to write short pieces, like a paragraph or a journal entry, specifically using the words you're trying to learn. Implement a spaced repetition system for reviewing words. For example, review them after 2 days, then 5 days, then 10 days, and so on. Consistency is paramount for long-term vocabulary growth. Aim for a dedicated study session of 15 to 20 minutes every single day. Leverage the many excellent online dictionaries and thesauruses available for quick definitions, synonyms, and example sentences. They are invaluable tools. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and your vocabulary will flourish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.